Solberg today? Solberg is the world's most innovative foam manufacturing company. Solberg got its origins in the mid-1960s when it served as a toll blender for several North American-based foam concentrate manufacturers as they entered the oil and gas business in the North Sea. Over time, it developed from being a toll blender and local seller to introducing their own chemistry and bringing their own dedicated foam concentrates into the marketplace. Ultimately, through their work, it led to the initial creation of the rehealing foam products. When we look at rehealing foam as the first real foam concentrate innovation since the 1960s. We are the first company that's been able to take a completely fluorine-free product and pass all of the standard protocols, Underwriters Laboratories and Factory Mutual, and pass that at exactly the same test application rates as any fluorinated foam in the world. We recognize that these regulatory issues around the world are going to continue and they're going to become more stringent, not less. Our products are 100% biodegradable in less than 2 months. We had to formulate it for an ability to use it with existing foam proportioning equipment that was in the marketplace. We do not require anyone to have to replace any of their equipment with new specialized RF product.
One of the distinct benefits that we have as Alert is the fact that we are probably one of the original organizations globally that started using rehealing foam in actual live fires, both in large-scale tank fires, process facility fires, spill fires, vapor suppression incidents. And with that process, we've been able to provide the confidence that our customers are looking for as we evolve from the older technologies now with newer technologies, and proving that in fact these new technologies do deliver both in performance, sustainability, in terms of what we're doing in and around the fire incident itself. What's one of the real unique characteristics with the new rehealing foams is the fact that we still have a high performance foam concentrate and still being able to achieve the high success rate that we have in extinguishing fires, suppressing vapors on a long-term basis, and providing maximum protection for our firefighters.
When we look at how a rehealing foam works, or how a foam in AFFF is applied to a fire as opposed to how a rehealing foam is applied to the fire, during the extinguishment, both foams behave and act in the same way. But the characteristic that becomes even greater is that as that foam sits on the fuel surface, the hot fuel surface, we get greater heat absorption from rehealing foam. So we're able to cool steel, we're able to cool fuel by the chemistry that we've put on. That foam, because it's cooled everything so much, has a much greater burn back resistance than an AFFF. We see a greater mobility of the foam because of the way we've constructed the product, and we see a higher performance level. We felt that it was a necessary step in the evolution of foam products. We had been in the business for 30 and 40 years and felt that it was time that a new technology was brought forth, something new that was innovative, that moved fire protection in a different direction, something that gave the customer something new to the 21st century.
For us, it's about putting the fire out. We are a private industry contracted by customers to be ready to mobilize on a moment's notice globally to respond to tank fires, terminal facility fires, storage tank fires, ship fires, and in doing so to be able to provide maximum capability to extinguishing the event and providing protection throughout the salvage operations or recovery on the facility of the asset. All through that process, the one critical component for us is to ensure maximum personnel safety. And this product delivers that.